This is Rajesh from the Department of Information Technology. Today I am going to talk about preliminary concepts. So in Python, types of decision making statements: if statement, if else statement, if else statement, and then last one is nested if statements. If statement. So this is how if statement works. If condition is given, if false, it goes to the end of the statement, and after that we go true, then it goes to body of the if. This is how if statement works in a Python. The syntax for if statement is given in the above. If condition underscore is true, then body of if will be executed. This is a sample example for if statement. Write code below. So bat underscore average equal to 9.95.55. If bat underscore average is greater than 70, then print is given in the next intent. Note this point. It should be a next intent below if. Then print a good batsman. Then after ending the if statement, the intent should come back to if. This is how a if statement works. So next one is if else statement. So if the condition is true, then execute body of the statement. If the condition is false, then it goes to the body of else statement and goes outside the loop. Here is the given syntax: if condition underscore true colon, then body of if given in the next intent. Next one else comes to if same intent, and body of else is given a single intent, that is 4 spaces. So this is how a if else statement works. If bat underscore average equal to 70 colon, print good batsman, else print not good batsman. So automatically, according to this statement, it always plus not a good batsman. Next one, if else statement. So it is nothing but giving 3 different conditions, that is if true or false, after that if again true or false, after that the false body consists of a body of else, and in the if we go for body of the else. This is how a if else statement works. Similarly, the average is given from 80, 60, last one is empty. So according to if and if, there are 2 conditions checked in this. After that, else is given for default value. So this is how average batsman is result for this output statement. Next one, nested if else statement. So this is the syntax for nested if. It consists of condition underscore true statement. If condition underscore true, again goes to statements. So here, if is checked inside the another if condition. So this is known as nested if. Elif is nothing but if given, another if statement is given outside the if condition. So in nested if, it is always given inside the if. So this is the how a nested if works. If bat average is equal to less than or equal to 70, and then again it checks another condition, that is less than or equal to 50, then print open a batsman. If both the statements are false, then it goes to the else statement. After that, the above if is also checked if the else statement is given. So after that, we receive the thing is as a middle order batsman. So loops in Python consists of for loop, while loop, and nested loop. For loop. So for loop travels sequentially. For example, that is for variable in sequence, then one intent is given and a for block. So this is the flowchart for loop. The condition is checked. If it's true, it goes to exit the loop. If it is false, it again goes to the condition itself. This is how a loop statement works. For loop with else. The for loop consists of 2 different blocks, and it consists of first one condition and goes to the end. Then it uses the else statement, and the else block is given separately and goes to the statement. Then it goes out of the exit of the loop. So this is our for loop with else is work. While loop. While loop repeatedly executes the block of the code unless the given condition is false. So the fourth diagram is enter the loop. While condition is checked, false, it exits the loop. True, it again goes back to the thing after executing the statements. So this is our while loop executes. While loop with else. So while loop with else is nothing but similar to the for loop with the else. So when condition is true, it goes back to the block of the while and goes return to the condition. If a condition is true, then it gets out of the loop and goes to the else statement, and the else block is executed. Nested loop. It consists of a nested loop. Python allows you to use one or more loops inside another loop. So, and a break statement. Break and continue statements are the two main keywords used to break a looping statement, and allows the user to continue the statement by giving continue. So thank you for your valuable time.